Your download files. The first thing is just to enter the file manager, and right now click on the downloads, and currently there is the bypass application that we download, but I will of course show you how it works. So go to the Google, maybe we can go for the Selena Gomez picture. Sorry. Now we are going to type here Selena Gomez, click on the images, and maybe we can save this photo. Click, hold, click on the download, and right now when we are going back to the file manager and download section, we will find the Selena Gomez picture. So this is how it looks on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.